Today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable screen saver on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. Simply just open your settings, scroll down and press on to display. Okay, scroll down and you get screen saver option. If you want to select no option, that's mean turn off, or if you want to select any on, like I'm select color and press on to preview, then showing it to result. Okay, like I'm select this to preview. Okay, and select this. If you want to set this, go to settings, showing it to more option. Select on or select, I'm just select color option, that's when turn on, or if you want to turn off this, select no option. That's it.